It's Monday morning. It is so cold, you guys. I literally slept in long sleeve, long pants, pajama set, and I had to put on this crew neck over because I was still so cold. Oh my gosh, you guys, my skin has been so dry this winter. Like, my skin will literally drink my skincare like it's water. Thankfully, I found a skincare routine that has stopped my breakouts from happening. I don't know if you guys have heard, but I feel like the last few months I mentioned at least once in a video that I've been trying to figure out what is going on with my skin because I was just having such bad breakouts and they were so painful. It was like I got a new breakout every single night. Like, every morning I'd wake up, I'd have a new breakout, and sometimes they'd come in pairs, and it was so annoying. I was using skincare that I've like always used, and then I was breaking out so bad. I thought it was my skin barrier that was the issue. So then I was like, oh, I'm gonna move then to just using Cetaphil. So I switched to just using this, and my skin was still breaking out so bad. So then I switched to using Rhode because I got the mini Rhode kit when I was in the States. That was also not really helping. Like, the glazing mist helped, but everything else, like, I didn't really notice much of a difference. I really was feeling like I don't know what else to do, like if Cetaphil isn't working, because I was literally using Cetaphil and eye cream, and that was it. And I was like, I don't know what else or how much simpler I could make this routine to stop the breakouts. Like, I don't know what else I could do. So then I was just like, you know what? I went back to watch some videos where my skin was so good. And I was like, okay, what products was I using? What was I doing at that time? I know that there's also a ton of other factors at play, like how much water you're drinking, where you're at hormonally, the water that comes out of your shower. Like, I know that there's so many different things at play, but I was desperate to fix it because it was so annoying. My skin was so dry to the point where the Cetaphil wasn't even lasting on my skin. So then I decided to go back to my old trusty Paula's Choice, the Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. This is a PM moisturizer, but when I tell you guys, I've talked about this one before, I'm so obsessed with it. It is so nourishing to the skin. It also comes with the matching lip peptide, and I have the lip peptide on my bedside table, so I literally put this on and then put that on and go to bed. I've recently been mixing this at night with this from Peach Slices, and when I tell you, my very first time using these two, I haven't gotten a single breakout. Everything is just recovering breakouts, but I haven't gotten a single new one in a few days. I absolutely love. I am obsessed. The only thing about this is that it does cause drying, so you need to make sure that you're using like a hydrating moisturizer, you're staying plenty hydrated, but at least the breakouts are gone. Like, I feel so good. This has been my little duo lately, but the only thing is that that's a PM moisturizer, so I'm actually gonna go find a daytime moisturizer that I can use. Okay, I'm gonna use the IT Confidence in a Cream. I don't know if trying a new skincare is the best idea for right now, but this one is supposed to be hydrating. I'm gonna wash my face and do some quick skincare because my skin is already dry. This is so thick. This is perfect. And it doesn't have, I mean, it has like a tiny scent, but it doesn't really have a scent that would make me think that there's like harsh fragrance chemicals in it. Amazing. Not only does my skin look so much better, but it feels so much better. Like, I'm not having these painful spots. It just feels so good. So I'm so happy that, at least for now, I was able to find a routine that works for my skin. just made some like peanut butter honey toast. I'm not really hungry, but I'm not gonna drink my coffee on an empty stomach, so I just made a little something. I really wanted to spend the morning with you guys and switch it up a little bit. I feel like I've been doing a lot of week in my life vlogs, and I wanted to do maybe just like a morning with you guys, do a little bit of an in-depth morning on like a day off, and when I'm working on my social media, kind of what that looks like, so that we could spend the morning together, switch it up a little bit. I'm also filming on my Canon 80D instead of my G7X. I always feel a little bit more like I'm tapping into my film production degree whenever I'm using my big camera, but I have a wide angle lens on my Christmas wish list this year because I feel like the lens that I have now is amazing for photography, but when you're vlogging, it's really close up, so I have to put the camera really far away from me to like be in frame still. I have the wide angle lens on my wish list because it's gonna be perfect for vlogging. Right now, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, have a little bit of my toast, respond to some emails, and maybe catch up on a vlog from one of my comfort creators. I think that's how I'm gonna enjoy my little breakfast. It's a few hours later. I finished my breakfast and then I started editing, so I was actually getting a lot of work done, which was really nice. It's also just so cold. Like, it literally snowed yesterday. That's how cold it is. I was just like cozied up and editing, and so I didn't want to get up, but I really want to do some mat Pilates this morning and just get my body moving, get a good stretch in. So I really had to convince myself to change because I am so cold and I don't really have many like long sleeve workout tops, but I'm wearing this super cute set from Fabletics. I'm just gonna do some mat Pilates. I have my robe always sitting on our towel heater, so whenever I put my robe on, it's like nice and warm. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. I'm gonna put this on while I do my hair to just kind of stay warm. I'll go and do the mat Pilates, and I'll be warm during mat Pilates from working out, and then I'm gonna come and take a cozy shower. And that's my plan. I think I'm gonna put my hair in just like a bun and put some hair oil in just to give my hair a little nourishment. Whenever I do a slicked back bun or hairstyle, I like to either use a hair mask or like a hair oil, just so that my hair is still getting some form of nutrients and I'm not just using like a gel that's super harsh and sticky on my hair. Instead, I'm using stuff that will help either strengthen, repair, or hydrate my hair. So I like to use like the Coco and Eve hair mask to slick my hair back, and it honestly works amazing. And then my hair is always so soft after I shower it out, and it's also like not difficult to wash it out of my hair. I'm not really gonna like make a fuss about it being perfect because I am just gonna do the workout here. I think Kristen S. Hair sent me this super cute black scrunchie, but it's like huge. And I feel like it always just makes buns look so cute. Perfect. I feel like it's just a cute little bun I can wear just for doing some at-home mat Pilates. The hair oil that I use today is from Bumble & Bumble. It's the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It softens and silkens, defrizzes, detangles, and protects against heat and UV damage. This one is so amazing, and it makes your hair literally feel like so silky and soft. Let's go do some mat Pilates.